Public policy concepts, issues or challenges engineers, perspective on policy development and implementation by Wahaj Faisal. Introduction or professional context. Welcome by the Pakistan Engineering Council, highlighting CPD requirements for engineers to maintain registration and professional growth. Courses launched nationwide from February 2025 to assist engineers in earning mandatory CPD points through webinars and lectures. Resource person introduction. Dr. Rashid Aftab, engineer with advanced degrees in engineering, MBA, IT, and PhD in public policy and governance. Experience across public, private, and public-private partnership sectors, working with ministries and telecom. Currently Director of Faculty of Public Policy at Refined International University, engaging in policy research and stakeholder consultations. What are public policies? Public policies address societal issues like education, health, climate change, poverty, and infrastructure. In democracies, elected governments develop policies based on their political manifestos, which reflect the priorities of citizens. Policies move from agenda setting to formulation, adoption, implementation, monitoring, and evaluation. Policy formulation or challenges. Identifying the right problem is critical. Evidence-based approaches are essential to effective policies. Example: building hospitals without addressing waterborne diseases misses the root causes. Safe drinking water is key. Policies require stakeholder consultation, technical feasibility, and political support, and social acceptance. Policy cycle or dimensions. The policy cycle includes agenda setting, formulation, adoption, implementation, monitoring, evaluation, and learning. Effectiveness measures impact on the target population. Efficiency measures output relative to input. Equity ensures vulnerable populations benefit, avoiding urban-centric development bias. Policy acceptability or feasibility. Policies must be technically, economically, financially, and politically feasible. Example: the Kalabagh Dam project faced political feasibility issues despite technical merits. Stakeholder willingness, such as farmers adopting efficient irrigation, is crucial for success. Sources or influences on policy. Policy issues emerge from societal changes like demographic shifts and urbanization challenges. Regime changes alter priorities, affecting policy continuity. External influences include donors and global commitments shaping economic and development policies. Key takeaways for engineers. Engineers play a vital role beyond technical work by engaging in policy processes. Understanding policy cycles and stakeholder interests enhances the relevance and impact of projects. Evidence-based, equitable, and feasible policies lead to sustainable development outcomes. Active participation in policy formulation and implementation strengthens engineering contributions to society.